Hello student, this is our chapter number 2, Early Humans. In our last class, we have discussed about the stages of evolution. Now, in today's class, we are going to study about Stone Ages. The Stone Age was a broad prehistoric period. It's a big period. Most archaeological sources belong to the prehistoric period. Most of the archaeological sources belongs to this period have been discovered in the form of stone tools, and some of the tools have been found in the stone tools and weapons. They show that stones was the first thing used by the early men to make their tools and weapons. The stone is the first tool that are used as a in this period used in this period. These are as follow. First is Paleolithic age or old stone age. Paleo means old and lithic means stone, so Paleolithic age is known as old stone age. 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC is the time duration of Paleolithic age. Second is Mesolithic age, is known as Middle Stone Age. Meso means middle and lithic means stone. That's why this is called Mesolithic age. This is from 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. After that, Neolithic age, New Stone Age, 8,000 to 4,000 BC. And after that, Chalcolithic age or the Copper Stone Age, and it is from 4000 BC to 2000 BC. Let us first discuss about Paleolithic age. The term Paleolithic has been derived from the Greek language, in which Paleo means old and Lithic means stone. Paleo means old and Lithic means stone. That's why the Paleolithic age means old stone age. This was the period of the first production of stone artifacts. In this period, the first production of stones is made. The Java man, Peking man, Heidelberg man, and Neanderthal man and Cro-Magnon man belongs to the Paleolithic age. All that means belongs to the Paleolithic age. The main feature of Old Stone Age can be described as follow. Stone implements, stone weapons. Human beings of this age made simpler, crude, and unpolished stone tools like hammer, axe, heads, choppers, etc. They made hammer, axe heads, chopper, etc. The earliest stone tools were fairly large. The old stone tools are very large. They consist of pebbles tools. It kind of stone. Pebble is kind of stone, and it's a stone tools. Core tools, flake tools, hand axes, scrapers, and clevers, choppers, and other large cutting tools. Stone tool is this age were mainly used for cutting down the trees. In Stone Age, the stone tools are used for cutting the trees. killing and skinning wild animals, chopping meat, dragging up roots. That are all the use of the stone tools. Flint stones were largely used for making stone implement in this age. Flint stone is mostly used. It is a hard grey stone. Flint stone is a hard grey stone which can be easily used in making core and flake tools due to its ability to chipped and molded easily into desired shape. You can mold it, fold it into desired shape. Core tools were pear shape. Core tools is like a pear shape. It's kind of nashpati. You see in it's a kind of fruit. The second last tool in the picture is a kind of pear shape. Hand axe were a uh, pear shape and tools made by using large pieces of flint stone. Core tools are of pear shape and tools are using large pieces of flint stone. Hand axe was a core tool held in hand. Its hand axe held in hand, used with the hand, used widely by cutting trees and is uses to cut trees, digging the earth, shaping sticks, etc. Flake tools, on the other hand, were made by using smaller pieces of stone. The uses for smaller pieces of stone, chopping and cleavers were two flake tools of this age. Choppers and cleavers are the two tools of that age, which were largely used for chopping meat, removing skin of wild animals. Hammer and axe were flake tools. Hammer and axe are flake tools which at first did not have handles. At first they didn't have handle, but after some time they got handles. Paleolithic and Mesolithic people were nomadic hunters nomadic hunters and gatherers. They only hunt and gather foods. Many Paleolithic tools such as axe, hammer, scraper, and choppers have been found from the site of Mirzapur in our UP, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh MP, Bori in Maharashtra, and Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. Now, food. What kind of food Paleolithic age men eat? The men in this age were basically hunters and food gatherer. They hunt and collect the foods. Their food consists of flesh of hunted animals and birds as well as wild plants, fruits, roots, berries, nuts, eggs, grasses, seeds, and vegetables are their food. They eat all that things for a very long time for a very long time, the early men used to eat raw flesh, but after the discovery of fire, they slowly learned to use it for roasting the meat and cooking food. They found that cooking and roasting made food more tastier. The Peking man, Neanderthal mans, and the Cro-Magnon mans learned to roast the flesh of the hunted animals. They learned the how to roast the flesh of the hunted animals. So that's all for today. In our next class, we are going to study the shelter, discovery of fire, and social life, clothing, and speech ability of the Paleolithic men. So, thank you, class.